You've lived this moment before? A discussion, a meeting, maybe even a conflict. Everyone's talking, moving, trying to shine. But you stay quiet. You observe. You notice what others miss. And suddenly, you realize something. Power doesn't belong to the loudest voice. It belongs to the one who knows when to stay silent. In The Prince, Machiavelli wrote, "Men must be either caressed or annihilated." That's not just a line, it's a brutal truth. If you can't strike hard, sometimes silence is your best move. Most people think influence comes from words, arguments, eloquence. That's false. The biggest mistake? Believing you must speak to exist. But silence creates discomfort. And in that discomfort, people overspeak. They justify, contradict, expose themselves. Why? Because humans hate the void. In any conversation, silence wins. Break the silence and you reveal yourself. The best negotiators ask a question, then go quiet. You? How many times have you talked too soon? Too much explaining, too much justifying. Maybe silence would have saved you. Machiavelli knew it. He who controls his words controls others. Silence creates mystery, and mystery commands respect. Test it yourself in your next big talk. Say less, watch them squirm, the silence will drive them. They'll try to understand you, and that's when you take control. Silence isn't absence, it's presence. It protects and traps that I in a world that screams to be seen. The one who stays silent becomes the mystery, and mystery is power. And you? Have you ever regretted saying too much? Drop it in the comments. Your story might wake someone up. Subscribe to stop drowning in noise. Learn to dominate through silence.